Hi guys, welcome back at my channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. It is the last day of our Disney official commemorative advent calendar. That's because it's Christmas Eve today and we're opening the last door right here, number 24. Put that aside a bit. Oh, okay, we're getting out our last cone and this one is shiny. Let me get it out of its little box. Well, that is very appropriate. It's Olaf from Frozen. That is very shiny, as you can see. You can see my camera in there. And then I'm going to show you the back one more time. Very pretty. Let me get one of the other coins so you can see the difference between this one and the other ones that we had collected. You see? Oh, that is so cool. That last one is so special. Let me show you one of the boxes that I made for Christmas. It's a Disney themed box, of course, with our commemorative coins in here and a nice Mickey in the middle, which swings a bit. Right, not like I'm gonna be shaking the box forever, but I think it's kind of cool. It looks like an ornament. Anyway, this is going to be the end of the commemorative advent calendar. And today, instead of a fun fact about Frozen, I'm going to hand you a Christmas wish. I hope you guys have a terrific Christmas and you get to spend it with your loved ones, your friends, your family, everybody that's important to you. Please enjoy it. Enjoy each other's company. Enjoy the great food you're probably going to have. Enjoy those twinkly lights, and I see you after the Christmas days. So for now, hope you're having a terrific day. Have a terrific Christmas Eve and a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys.